I'm Barry Scott.
Barry Scott rose to fame with his on-screen debut in the Cillit Bang adverts.
Bang and the dirt is gone.
But he retreated from the public eye in 2018, leaving almost a decade of unanswered questions.
One, take one.
Now he's ready to come clean.
Hi, I'm Barry Scott. Remember me?
Bit of elbow grease, Barry, come on.
Cleaning has always been a big part of my life. Even before I could walk. Wasn't always about the money. Spreading the word about tackling tough stains. That's what it was all about for me.
So what's over here?
Well, this is what I like to call my happy space. Best brand mascot. We really taught those meerkats a lesson. It was hilarious seeing their faces after that. It was so funny. Is that all right if I go and get that?
Barry Scott.
Hi, I'm Barry Scott.
Just the signature, please, mate. Yeah. There you go.
Bang, and he's gone.
What have you been up to since we last saw you?
Well, I've tried hundreds of jobs. Bang! On your marks, set, bang! I've even tried being a content creator.
Barry's going to show you how to clean this dirty shower. Bang, bang, bang.
Why are you sat here today?
Well, I thought after almost a decade, it was time to address some questions. I'm still here, I'm still alive, and in the nation's hearts. I remember this one. Look at this penny, good as new.
Okay, let's reset.
Is that okay? That was all right, was it? Oh, hi, this is Barry Scott, yeah?
Hi Barry, Cillit Bang here, big update.
Really?
It's going amazing.
Oh, that's great. Yeah?
Line's out the door. Barry, you've got to come and see this.
Right, well, there was more than one. I really can't wait to meet them.